Welcome to a brief overview of the spare parts feature available in our web application, My Measurement Assistant. I'm particularly excited today to share how customers are using this feature to improve their operational efficiency. At ABB, we understand that for our customers, it's important to access information quickly, whether that's a document or accessing information on spare parts. And this spare parts feature within this web application is designed specifically to enable customers to quickly find the spare parts that they need. And how do we do that? Customers can search by product, they can search by part number, and for many of the products we also have pictures that show what is the product that they've selected. And of course there's also a feature that if customers are still unsure, they can get in contact with us and ask us for more information around specific parts. And then the last piece that we offer through the tool is that when customers actually want a quotation, they can then also send their request through the portal for their quotation for those parts. So overall, I think that the spare parts feature really helps our customers to access the right information in the most efficient way, enabling them to get their plant up and running again in the shortest amount of time. So I'd really encourage you to come and visit the web application if you haven't already. And if you get stuck or you want more support, please get in contact with your local ABB support person. Thank you for your time today.